If you want something a little more popping, this is like when you're on the island on a resort, and this one's more like when you back home in the city time chilling with your family. Hi guys, well, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about the new BH Cosmetics palette, part of their travel series, I believe. This is the Chillin' in Chicago palette. And as well, I never got a chance to try these when they were just online. And these are the cute little lip gloss duos. These are lip plumping, So Extra Chai Latte Weekend Vibes, cute little lip gloss duo collection. So I'm gonna definitely try this out. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the notification button while you are down there as well. And let's get into this review. Now, let me just say from the start, BH Cosmeticals, pigmented as hell. You already know the deal. So it's nothing surprising when I see BH Cosmetics come out with another palette, and I said I'm gonna try it. I know it's gonna be pigmented, it's gonna be great, it's gonna be good. So speaking of that, I'm gonna do a little bit of comparisons too. I do have the Hanging in Hawaii palette and the Chicago palette. So I'm gonna do a little bit of comparisons with this video as well. So of course we're gonna start off with the newest one, was Chillin' in Chicago. So I believe this retails for, I wanna say 18 bucks again, I wanna believe so. On that note, now let's look at the colors between Hanging in Hawaii and Chillin' in Chicago. So Hanging in Hawaii is right here, Chillin' in Chicago is right here. So when you're looking at these two palettes, I do see similarities. Not exactly similar, but a lot of similarities. So when I'm looking at them, because I remember Hanging in Hawaii, I was like, those are a lot of browns and just warmer colors. This one does look very, very close to Hanging in Hawaii, but the thing is, this one has a little more, I think Hanging in Hawaii has a little bit more of, like, the bottom row is that range of like darker smoky brown, very summery colors. The top is a little more rosy, a little rosy with oranges. That is the difference I noticed off the bat, because Chillin' in Chicago, on the other hand, have the browns and rosies on the top, and at the bottom they have oranges and kind of mustard Dijon yellow brown at the bottom, and they have the golds and the orange golds. So that's the difference I got from it. This row, actually these two rows, they are so good, especially these two colors right here at the end. Oh, they're so pretty. They're so good. And that orange, jazzy, oh yeah, that one's so good. I had to use that twice. It's so good. But my thing is, if you want to get a warmer, neutral kind of palette, those kind of have those pops of shimmers as well. But this one has a, well, actually, they do look kind of the same, but let me see. Yeah, I think if you want a more neutral summertime eye, I would go with Hanging in Hawaii. But if you want something a little more popping, a little more bright, a little more showtime, I would go with the Chillin' in Chicago. That palette does give you a little more reddish warmth, and then a little orangey, a little more orange, very, very city. It's like a city summer versus the Chillin' in Chicago. This one is more like a, yeah, like you're on the island, just more summery. Let's watch some colors and see. Okay, so I'm gonna grab Aloha and Deep Dish. So this is Aloha from the Hanging in Hawaii palette, and then this is the Deep Dish. So those do kind of look similar. They're just literally, the Deep Dish is just a little lighter, just a little hint. Let's grab Mahalo from the Hanging in Hawaii palette and Grizzly from the Chicago palette. This one is Mahalo, and then this one is Grizzly. Okay. See, it's like a little bit, well, that one's a lot different. So Mahalo is very, very deeper. Grizzly is still a warmer cinnamon cappuccino, kind of like a coffee brown. It's really still a little bit lighter. To me, they pretty much gave us a lot of hues of browns and oranges kind of colors. I'm gonna do Waikiki Magnificent in the Chicago palette. So this is Waikiki, and this is Magnificent. Ooh, it's so pretty, baby. That's so pretty. So clearly it's the shade, it's the lighter, darker hue situation. Both same shimmer feel, both longevity, both pigmented. It is just the color range is just a little lighter, a little deeper. Let's do a lighter color. Hula in the Hawaii palette, and then Millennium in the Chicago palette. Hula, and then Millennium in the Chicago palette. Oh, Millennium beats it. Sorry. I thought I liked the one in the Hawaii palette, but that one is, it's like a cool neutral champagne. That one has that gold. Look at that gold. Ooh. Sorry, that Chicago palette, that's a mark for Chicago. They're looking good. I'm gonna try Honolulu and Sky Deck. So this is Honolulu and then Sky Deck. So those do kind of look similar. Oh, okay. So Honolulu's more red. Sky Deck is cool, straight chocolate brown. It's that undertone. It's the hues are just a little bit different. Now, out of the Chicago palette, my favorite color, if you guys can't probably tell because I use it so much, my favorite color is Riverwalk. Riverwalk is so pretty. Again, that Dijon yellow brown mustard color. It just look at that. It looks so good. My eyes look so just open and just bright and summery. It's so cute. And then the next one I did love is Chi-Town. So Jazzy, that again, I had to use that. Jazzy is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. This Chicago palette stands out by the bottom 2 rows of the palette. So these 2 rows right here, that's what makes it the Chicago palette versus the Hawaii dupe. Oh, next I'm going to be talking about is So Extra Chai Latte Weekend Vibes Gloss Duo. And I used just one today, but this one is called Caffeinated. And then this one's called Extra Foam. You guys can see it has orange. They have golden and purple sparkles in this gloss, and that alone was just, oh, I get to show you guys as well. The top is like holographic pink. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my God, this is so good. It smells nice and good. It just smells like a little bit, just a little soft, a little fruity, and it's very, very moisturized. I know they put a couple oils in here because this make your lips look real juicy. Let me swatch the caffeinated one. This one's kind of like a cooler kind of pink. So that's caffeinated, swatched on. It's a very pretty color. I wear this without any liner or anything, and it's just nice and juicy, a soft little gloss. You can wear around the house. Can't really wear it outside right now, but these, I want to believe these were $12. I thought these were going to be a baby size. They're quite chunky. I thought they were going to be little, baby small, but they are not. So if you guys want to get this look, just stay tuned. You guys seen from a tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. My opinion, if you do want a neutral, warmer, summery, a little bit shimmer here and there, a little glow kind of palette, these are very comparable. They're not exactly identical, but they are very comparable. They kind of do have the same schemes. Now, if you want a little more gold on your eye, I would go with Chicago. But if you want more of that typical, just, you know, very summery, little warmer shades, then go with Hawaii palette. I definitely like the Chicago palette. I think it's very, very cool. I like it. I love the gold. I was like, yes, that's what made me want to buy it. It's the gold, period. I think every other color, if they mainly had this in like one touch of gold, but not the extra warmth at the bottom, I probably would have never gave this a chance, because I would have been like, that is literally the dupe. But that bottom row makes it not quite the dupe of it. Even though the other colors are in the same brown range, but the undertones are different. But it's a little more honey, a little more yellow and orangey. It is very pretty. I think if this was sitting up there with the Hawaii palette and I was thinking which one did I want to grab, it would be hard to, well, it would be hard. I would go with this one because it's more yellow. But of course, Hain and Hawaii palette is a beautiful palette. I don't knock people for having both, because I got both and I ain't got no problem with them. I'm going to use both of them. They're still really good. My conclusion is it is very close and similar to each other. But the golden tones in it and the orangey tones, it's more richer, more brighter. And it is a difference compared to the white one. That's very brown, neutral, has a little bit of the rosy, the just matte orange instead of the shimmer ranges of oranges and whatnot. That's the difference between the two, in my opinion. This is my review over the Weekend Vibes So Extra Chai Latte Lip Gloss Duo, and also my Chillin' in Chicago palette review and tutorial. So I enjoy the palette, I enjoy the gloss. BH Cosmetics, again, doesn't do wrong for me. They're always coming with it. Like I said, I recommend you can buy either one of the two. You probably get almost the same looks with half of the palette of both of them, of the Hawaii palette and the Chicago palette. But my opinion, I like the Chicago palette more because it has those golds in it and the oranges that I like more. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there. And you guys already know what I'm going to say. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.